Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you are new here then hello. I make makeup videos, lifestyle videos and fashion videos. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, then make sure you subscribe down below and give the video a like. So today's video is going to be a Primark haul. I love Primark. I've been to Primark once this year and that was maybe about 2 months ago, and I did upload a haul. So I will link that down below because probably quite a bit of the stuff is still in Primark at the moment. But I went today just to get quite random bits, to be honest. It's not like loads and loads of clothes, but it's like a decent amount of stuff. So yeah, I thought I would, show you what I got because I'm going on holiday soon. First, before I show you what I got from Primark, I want to show you these really cool sunglasses. I got them off of Zaful. They're about £5. And I don't know about you, but I think these are so cute. They kind of reminded me of the ones that Emma Chamberlain got from YSL, from Ethan Dolan. And I just thought they were super cute. I don't know if I'm cool enough to pull them off, but I thought those on holiday would look awesome. I also got this little hat from Matalan. I know obviously it's not going to look great, but it just says vacay on it. They have one similar to this in Primark at the moment. It's black with a white font. I can't remember what it says, but it's like very similar to this. But yeah, I'm trying to be cute on holiday, so yeah, I do have all of this stuff from Primark. As I said, it's a lot of random stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, let's begin. So I'm just going to pull things out of the bag and show you them as I'm getting them. And yeah, it's very random. Like lots of very random, when you're like about to go on holiday and you'd have to pick up like odd bits. Kind of one of those hauls. Now I'm not going to lie, this isn't for me and I have no idea what it is. It's a bath loofah. My mum got it, so it's not mine. So I'm starting with the things in the little tiny Primark bag, just because these are like all the little bits that they wanted to keep together. So I first got some hairpins because I don't know where mine have gone. Like I kept them all in this little like box that they give you, and mine have all disappeared. Like the entire box has just vanished. And as someone who doesn't leave my house or like go places, I know it's in this house somewhere. I just don't know where. So I bought a new box because they're only £1 and you get like 60. So yeah. Someone called me out when I called them grips in my Zodiac video. They're like, grip? What the hell's a grip? It's a bobby pin. And I was like, well, in the UK we call them curvy grips. So I then got some nails, obviously to go on holiday, because I can't afford to get my nails done. So Primark nails. Primark nails never fail me. They're beautiful. So I got these ones first that are called the Precious Jewel nails, and these were £3. They are like a neon yellow. It's like a neon, pastel neon. So it's not like full on neon, but it's not pastel. It's like in between. And I got this set, which is like a frosted clear type colour at the nail bed. And then they go into like a neon orange, and I really love these. They're like an ombre, and these were £1.50. I then get a pack of these clips, just normal clips that you used to wear as a kid. These are for my sister because she has this colour hair. Obviously if I was going to get some, I'd get some colourful ones or some blonde ones. But yeah, you get a 20 in the pack for £1, which I think is really good. And yeah, these are for my sibling. They're really in at the moment. Like, who would have thought that primary school clips would come back in style? But yeah. And then finally for the little bag, of course, I got some exfoliating gloves. I like to use these in the shower just to keep my skin nice and smooth, especially before going on holiday. It's nice to exfoliate your skin so you're nice and smooth. As I like to call myself, a little beluga whale. When you're like all like hairless and smooth and exfoliated, you just feel like a beluga whale. If you've ever like petted a dolphin or anything, you know the feeling. Now onto the medium-sized bag. We've got it's like the 3 bears. We've got baby bear, mummy bear, daddy bear, I don't know. So when I go to my treatment sessions on a Wednesday, I have to obviously take my shoes off, and I am one of these people, I get really anxious when I'm taking my shoes off and I feel like I'm taking a long time. So when I go to my sessions, I like to wear slip-on shoes, and until now I've been wearing Ugg boots, but I just said Ugg boots so weirdly. But obviously it's like 30-degree weather at the moment. I don't quite fancy wearing Ugg boots. So I got some slip-on like Vans looking shoes. Like, as I said, it's just to go to my treatment appointments, so I don't want to buy actual Vans. But these were only £8. They're just some black slip-on shoes, look like Vans, really comfortable, and they're actually quite thick, so they kind of make me look a bit tall, which I'm not. I'm 5'2". So yeah. Again, for shoes, I got these flip-flops. Now, I'm sorry, but these are the cutest flip-flops ever. I love like Barbie merchandise and stuff like that from Primark. Like, I love the t-shirt. I really want the pyjamas, like the top and the shorts, but they never seem to have them in. Primark, sort it out please, thank you very much. But yeah, I thought these were really, really cute. So obviously they are neon pink with black Barbie logo, and then this, I don't know if you can see, but it's like holographic shiny, and I love them. These were £2, and I just really like Primark flip-flops. I think they're really good, they're really cheap, and for flip-flops they're comfy, so yeah. Okay, there's a lot of pink things in this haul. I then got a shower cap because I like to wash my hair like once a week, like a couple times a week. I don't like to wash my hair a lot, so obviously when I'm getting in the shower I don't want to get my hair wet, so I've just been using, like, you know, the shower caps you get in hotels, like the free ones. My dad stays in hotels a lot, and my sister used to stay in hotels a lot, so we have a stash of hotel shower caps, and I've only just run out of my stash. That is how long I've been like stashing up these shower caps. So I thought it was about time to get an actual shower cap that's not just like a little cheap nasty plastic one. So I got this one, and yeah, it's baby pink with little red hearts. I love baby pink and reds together. I don't know what it is about that colour combination, I just love it. And it's got like a towel material on the inside to like keep your hair, like, it's just a lot nicer quality than the other ones. The other ones were £1 and this one was £1.50, but it's like, it just feels really good quality. It's like obviously the waterproof material on the outside and then the towel material on the inside. But yeah, I just thought it was really nice, and I needed a shower cap, and this one was very, very cute. I then got this makeup bag. Now, I don't go lots of places that I need a makeup bag. A lot of the time I just need my makeup to be in my room. But obviously I'm going on holiday, and I thought this would be perfect time because I saw this and I absolutely fell in love. It is the most gorgeous makeup bag ever. Like, it's got these lashes on it, it's got, I think this is lash glue or lip gloss, nail polish, mascara on it, and it says love yourself, and it's this cream colour, and then it's just got this rose gold zip. And I just thought it was absolutely beautiful, and it's a really good size as well. They did it in a small like pocket size, like pouch size. It was like this big, like this big. But this one's obviously the bigger one. This was only £4 as well. I thought it was really, really nice. And it's also always reminding you to love yourself. And yeah, I just thought it was really, really sweet. So I got this. I then got some of these like heatless rollers. I used to have these maybe when I was like 12, 13, and I was trying to like do some styles to my hair. And obviously I have blonde bleached hair. My hair is obviously not naturally blonde, as you can see by my roots. So it's in really good condition actually. I've been really working on my hair to get it in really good condition, and it's very nice condition at the moment. But I just don't like using a lot of heat on it. That's probably why it's in such good condition, considering it's bleached from this colour. So I thought I would try out some of these. So I just got 2 packs, and they are the larger pink ones. The colour doesn't matter. But yeah, just the larger ones, just to like, you wrap your hair around them and then kind of secure them in your head. And they're only £1.50 a pack, so I thought, you know, I'd try them out for some heatless curls, because yeah, you just literally put your hair in it and your hair curls without needing any heat and damage, and I'm down for that. So yeah, I thought I would get some. Oh, apparently we also got another little body shower puff, and this one has little bunny ears, so that's cute. So we then got this pack of clips. These are like just separator clips, but my mum wanted something like to clip her hair back because she started growing her hair out. It's like shoulder length now, it looks so good. And yeah, she wanted something to clip her hair back, and these were only £1 for a pack of 8. These were only £1 for a pack of 8, and these were actually really cheeky. This was the only one left on the shelf that still said £1. They'd put like white stickers over the pound label and increased the price to £1.50, but they'd missed one, and I thought that was just so like cheeky. I was like, oh my gosh, like just upping the price right there and then. But yeah, these were only £1. The Primark haul staple. Some cotton rounds. Now I didn't actually pick these up. I went back to the car at this point because I was like, I'm so tired, I'm done with this, I can't walk around any longer. So yeah, I actually don't use these that much anymore. I use my like little reusable makeup cloth thing that you just use water, it'll remove your makeup like a pad will, and then wash my face afterwards, and you can just like chuck that in the washing machine, because I just think I've been like trying to like cut down on waste and stuff. But yeah, 90p for a pack of these. It's a good price. I don't use these all that often, but like obviously sometimes it's necessary. And then finally I just got some underwear, which you don't need to see. But yeah, that is everything I got. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment something. I don't care what, just something. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!